Welcome to my channel and welcome to the first ever vlog on my channel. This is the first ever vlog that I'm going to make, and we are going to Pune, Phoenix Market City, Pune, and we thought of vlogging it because I am going there for the first time after lockdown. It's been almost a year since I went to Phoenix, and about her, I think it's been 8 months. Yeah. So I stopped going way before the lockdown because I was pregnant and then I had a baby, and then I just could not go. And right now we are going to go and do some shopping. I need to buy some fake plants, which my cousin told me is there at Star Bazaar. So we'll check that out. She needs to buy a pop socket. I think I'll buy one for myself as well. We need to go to Miniso to buy some stuff. And we are also going to go check out what clothing items are available so that we can shop a little bit. And yeah, we thought of taking you guys along to show how the mall looks during this lockdown and all of that. So if you guys are interested, then come along with us. These are all the stuff that we are carrying as a precautionary measure. Our masks, obviously, then a sanitizer, a bottle of water, a pen, and wet wipes just in case. And yeah, let's go. Aisha is putting the lock on. We are going. I'm so excited. We're going after so long. I did go last week, but that was just for like just sometime 10 minutes, 15 minutes or something. I just went to Malabar. I had to get some work done, so I just did that and came back. I didn't do any shopping. So in terms of visiting the mall, this is my first time in a year, and I'm super excited. So when we reached Phoenix, we had to wait in this queue because they were checking everyone's temperature, and everyone was maintaining the 1 meter social distancing thing, which I really liked. But we could not film the process because they did not allow us. And then we reached the mall. We were surprised by the crowd because it wasn't very crowded, but we didn't even expect this much. And since we did not have like a lot of time to stroll around, we headed straight to the underground floor where Star Bazaar is, because I needed to get my flowers and pop socket and all of that, and then do whatever the extra shopping I wanted to do. We are just getting ourselves sanitized, like our hands sanitized, because we did a touch here and there. And then we are entering Star Bazaar. This is my favorite place because I am such a grocery shopping lover. I love shopping for grocery stuff. So yeah, when we entered, there were a huge chocolate and mithai ke dabbe and all of that, because it's Diwali. Like, Diwali is around the corner and everybody shops for mithai and all of that. So there was a huge stack of mithai and all of that. And then there were these very cute colorful diyas, printed with all these bright colors. I was really tempted to buy these, but I did not, because I do have decorative diyas already at home. And then I got this plastic storage. And then we were just looking here and there for plants, and then I finally found the plants. They looked so pretty to me. They were different kinds of plants, and they had a flat 50% off going on all the fake plants, which was a great deal. The bigger plants were very expensive. I felt they were for 1500, 1800 and all. I really wanted tiny plants. I liked this one, but I don't like the steel cup pot. so I did not get that. But it had really cute looking plants, and then I was just looking for a few options, and I liked this one as well. But the green leaves were not vibrant enough. Then I liked this one as well, but when I looked close enough, it looked like it looks very plasticky and fake and all of that. So I did not get that as well. I was just looking. I loved this next one that I'm going to show you, this lavender one. I really loved it, but again I did not get it because the pot was steel. I could have got it and painted it white, but yeah. And then I got this one finally. I really liked how it looked, and I also got this one. I just got 2. I wanted 3, but I did not find anything, so yeah. And then we were just roaming around. There were a lot of food items, so we were just casually strolling and seeing if we liked anything. And then there was this jewelry section, but I did not like anything. They were all not so great. And then again we came to the garment section. They had clothes for really cheap prices. You guys can see 299, 199, 150 rupees for t-shirts and all of that. But I did not get any t-shirts or anything because I am not a t-shirt person. I really like tops and all of that. And they have stuff from Zudio as well. I really like Zudio ka stuff. It's very they have nice colors and nice prints and all of that. I liked this lavender one, but I did not pick it. And yeah, they also had a lot of shoes, like sneakers for 500 rupees, which I thought was very very inexpensive. The quality was also really great. But yeah, again, and then I got this pack of chips because Inaya's birthday is nearing, and we wanted some snacks just to keep on the table. So we were just looking for some snacks. Then I found my favorite Kellogg's granola. I did switch this up later on, you guys will see that. And then we got some oats Maggie because this is something new. Got some candy because why not. And then some more Maggie. And then we also got this Szechuan Chings. And then I got this oats for Inaya. And then you guys will see, yeah, I switched the granola for this one because this is a new one and I'm hooked to that. And then I got nachos because I wanted to keep nachos as a snack option for Inaya's birthday. And then I got these a bun and a few chips just for myself. And yeah, and then we were finally doing the payment. I got my fake plants, I got some snacks, and that is it. But we did spend a lot of time, I think an hour in Star Bazaar. So yeah, I was just paying the bill and Aisha is showing you guys the store. And yeah, finally we paid everything. I also got the storage thing, and then me being my nerd self, I'm just checking the bill. And yeah, and then we also wanted to get pop socket, which was in Star Bazaar itself. So we were just looking for some pop sockets. I got Aisha got a plain black one, and I got this black with blessed written in it, which I really love. And then we are just heading out of Star Bazaar. And then we were just checking if we could find any good store, because underground just has Max, FBB and all that. We didn't want to go there, but I found Crossword, and then we entered Crossword because I wanted to see if there are any new books. I love reading books and I wanted to check. I honestly don't buy a lot of books from Crossword because I think they sell it like really expensive compared to what we get online. So I do love their stationery. I love stationery from Crossword, and I do buy stationery from Crossword, but for books I just check what are the new books, and if something interests me, and then I'll just check for the name. Like I'll keep the name in mind and buy it online, because I think online you always get it like 40-50% off. So that is that. I was just checking a few books. This is a Preeti Shenoy book. I haven't read her books yet, but I've heard good things about it. And then this is a book that I thought of buying, Love Yourself Like Your Life Depends on It, which is great. And then I also saw this book about Priyanka Chopra's life, which I was really tempted to buy, but I did not. I will buy this one also online. And yeah, we were just casually checking for stuff, and then we just came out. there was this center in the mall that was so beautifully decorated, and it really caught my eye. I love flowers in general. They look so pretty, and a lot of these flowers were made out of papers, which is something that really impressed me. You guys can see the paper flowers right there. It takes a lot of effort to create flowers out of paper, so this is something that I absolutely loved, and thought it deserved a shout out on the vlog. And then we just headed to Marks and Spencer's because bahar se the collection looked really pretty, so I thought I'll show you guys the collection that's there. And I really loved the collection. They have a lot of these minimal print stuff that I absolutely love, just polka dots and very they have all these nice and pastely colors, warm colors, camel colors, and all of those stuff, which is really my vibe right now. I've been into all of these colors and all of these minimal prints. So yeah, I really loved this dress as well. I like floral stuff, so yeah. And then this dress was also so beautiful, and they had a lot of these casual pants and blazers in such pretty colors. This is such a pretty color, you guys. So I just thought of looking around and seeing if I could find anything. I really didn't need any blazer or anything, so I did not get any stuff from here as well, but just wanted to show you guys. They also have velvet quartz ka collection. And that is it. We had to leave suddenly because mom had to go out and Inaya was alone, so I had to leave. I did not visit Miniso or H&M or anything, but I will go there soon and make another vlog about that as well. We've come out of Phoenix and we could not talk a lot because there were lots of people, but we finally out. We went to yeah, they've decorated it so beautifully. We shopped a little at Star Bazaar. We could not visit a lot of places because Inaya is waiting for me at home, so I have to get home as soon as possible. It's 8 already. We've been here for 3 hours. And yeah, so we really enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. We'll see you next time. Bye.